Hey everyone, Eric the IT Guy Hendricks here, and welcome back to the AlmaLinux channel. Today, we're going to walk through how to install NVIDIA drivers on AlmaLinux 10. This is one of those quick but important setup steps if you're running a system or VM with a GPU, whether it's for machine learning, rendering, or just smoother graphics performance. So, why do NVIDIA drivers need a little extra attention? Unlike AMD or Intel GPUs, which work out of the box using open source Mesa drivers, NVIDIA uses proprietary drivers to unlock the full performance and CUDA capabilities in their GPUs. That means we need to install them separately. But thanks to AlmaLinux's native NVIDIA support, the process is so much easier. First things first, let's make sure that your system is fully up to date. And a quick reboot ensures that we're running the latest kernel before we install anything else. Next, we'll enable the AlmaLinux NVIDIA driver repository. This brings in the official, signed packages. This last command just confirms that the repository is active. Now, for the main event. Let's install the driver and kernel module packages. Once that finishes, go ahead and reboot just for good measure. When the system's back up, let's confirm that everything loaded correctly. If you see NVIDIA DRM or NVIDIA mode set in the list, you're good to go. If you're planning to do GPU computing or development, you'll want to add the CUDA tools as well. Now, if you run NVIDIA SMI, it should show your GPU, driver version, and CUDA version. That's your success screen. And that's it! You've got full NVIDIA driver support running natively on AlmaLinux 10. No manual downloads, no messy installers. So if this video has helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe for more AlmaLinux tutorials, and let us know in the comments what you'd like to see next. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.